Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Captain Falson. Today I'm with Jonathan Galea. Through my travels, I met another fellow Maltese. It's very rare that I, meet Maltese in my travels, so it's extremely exciting. Jonathan Galea is the Managing Director of the Blockchain Advisory Limited. So explain to us a little bit exactly what you do, what the company is.
Of course, so first of all, thanks for the invitation. Blockchain Advisory Limited, again, having been very imaginative with the name. So essentially it provides advisory services to whoever wishes to build a blockchain project, open up a blockchain company, or conduct any cryptocurrency related business activity from Malta. So essentially we offer legal advice and technical advice to whoever wishes to do, again, business venture in this sector. And in fact, we're not just focusing on private entities, we also advise the government of Malta and other regulatory authorities in terms of the setup of the regulatory framework in Malta.
Nice. So I see many companies going to Malta, and it's great because it's, Malta's a great island. I love it for sure. I'm sure you do. So why do you think so many companies are going to Malta? Why is Malta good to set up companies like this and so much more?
Apart from the fantastic weather almost all year round, Malta is essentially the first country to regulate the blockchain cryptocurrency space in the world. There have been other attempts by other jurisdictions where they have tweaked a few laws here and there, but what Malta has done has come with a new framework altogether to cater for any business wishing to do, again, any sort of venture in this particular space. So Malta is regulating the industry from a legal, financial, as well as technical perspective.
Okay.
So it's providing a safe place to do business for anyone wishing to be regulated and wishing, of course, to have certainty when it comes to doing business in Malta, and of course ensuring that they are licensed, properly vetted, and so on and so forth. One thing which has been lacking in the cryptosphere, but that's what I like to call it, is that basically there's been a lack of, let's say, standard being set. And over the past few years, we've seen the emergence of almost the wild west when it comes to, again, certain projects which are not properly vetted and they're not conducted well enough. Investors' money has been lost. There have been various scams, so Malta has set out to basically eradicate all of that, or as much as possible, and to provide safe place to do business, both for investors as well as creators of projects alike.
Very good. And for my last question, so where do you see this going in the next few years? Blockchain and Malta and blockchain, how much do you think is going to grow, and how much goodness is going to come out of it?
Well, I mean, Malta, of course, is trying to attract as much business as possible, but this goes beyond Malta. I mean, blockchain technology is not just a passing fad or something, which will just disappear in a few years' time.
Like some people were thinking before.
I mean, I remember a couple of years ago that a lot of articles being issued saying that Bitcoin is just a passing trend, it's all a bubble, and so it's going to burst, and so on and so forth. I mean, such articles are still being issued today. But if we look beyond the economic benefits, if we look beyond regulation, I mean, blockchain technology will shape the future to come. I mean, there's already quite a few big players in various industries, banking industry, insurance, gaming, and so on, who are looking at blockchain to power their next-gen platforms. So essentially, blockchain is not just, again, something which one might make a quick buck out of, but actually blockchain technology might be seen as the new internet, the new technology which will, again, shape future generations to come.
Excellent. Jonathan, thank you very much.
Thank you,
and I'll
it's been a
see you
pleasure.
guys soon.